Bear wanted to invest in real estate, but Bear hated managing complaining tenants. Bear is smart. He knows traditional real estate is a trap. If Bear buys an apartment, he has to fix broken toilets and leaky roofs. Bear hates fixing toilets. So Bear did something completely different. He bought vacant land near the forest highway and built 20 cheap metal storage units. No plumbing, no electricity, no windows, just metal and concrete. Bear opened a self-storage facility. Animals have too much stuff. They willingly pay Bear $100 a month just to keep their junk in the dark. With 20 units, Bear earned $2,000 a month, zero maintenance. But in month 3, a problem arose. Unit number 7 stopped paying rent. The tenant ignored Bear's phone calls. If this was a residential apartment, Bear would be in trouble. Evicting someone from a home takes 6 months, expensive lawyers, and thousands of dollars in legal fees. But a storage unit is not a home. The laws are different. Bear checked his contract. It states, after 30 days of non-payment, the contents belong to Bear. On the 31st day, Bear walked to Unit 7. He pulled out heavy bolt cutters and snapped the lock. Inside was a flat-screen TV, a leather sofa, and some very expensive golf clubs. Bear didn't call a lawyer. Bear called an auctioneer. He sold the items online for $800 and kept all the money. Then Bear took a broom, swept the unit clean, and rented it to a new tenant. Bear realized this was the ultimate legal cheat code. He took his profits and bought 50 more units, then 100 more. He installed an automatic gate with a keypad. Now customers rent units on their phones and get the code by email. Today, Bear owns 200 storage units. He earns $20,000 each month in pure passive cash flow. He never speaks to tenants. He never handles complaints. And Bear has never, ever had to fix a single toilet. Please subscribe.